Hello, today I'm going to show you how to transmission oil change on your Audi A4 S401. First step is, of course, we have to jack up the car. The bad thing is, of course, we jack up this on both sides that we can come underneath the car proper, of course. Then we can see the not the first, the second cover we have to remove from the bottom plate. This is with screws and with such plaques, and then we are able to remove this cover easy peasy. Then we can see underneath there is the transmission, and the transmission comes with with a screw on the bottom side. This screw we are now removing, and if we remove this screw, the transmission oil will drain out into our oil reservoir. After or while it is draining out, we are going to open the inflate already insert screw, and in this screw, after we are closed the bottom screw, of course, we can top up the transmission by using the transmission oil until it is overflowing. So you can see it drops a little bit down. That means the transmission is full with oil until this area. This is enough. Then we can, of course, get back the upper screw and tighten it. Then we have to clean a little bit, and we have to reassemble the bottom cover again, and we can get back the car to the ground and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. See you again on my channel. Soon.